Today we're taking a look at a brand new coin on the channel and we're entering the metaverse, kicking it off with Mana, which is Decentraland's native coin. We're going to perform some technical analysis and make some predictions on where we can expect to see Mana go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome into the Mana chart, guys. If you're looking to buy Mana or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And as you can see, Mana is currently sitting at $3.28 US, and that is after hitting a peak back on the 25th of November of $5.91. That's when I suppose all the cryptos were running. We saw basically a beautiful flag pattern form over here, followed by the breakout upwards. Really good stuff. But what's going on now? First thing I notice is that we have the 20-day moving average crossing below the 50-day moving average. Typically, this is a bearish sign indicating that the overall trend is shifting. In this case though, it's already going down, so it's a confirmation that the trend is still going in a downwards direction, potentially for the short to medium term at least. One thing I want to keep in mind though is establishing that key trend that we see overall, and from what I can tell, we're sitting on a really nice upwards trending line right here. You can see we've bounced off this line multiple occasions recently and in the past, so that is something which is relatively reliable for us going forward. If we then also take a look at what is going on from, I suppose, an overall trend perspective, you can see that basically it looks like we were in a downwards channel down here, but we have managed to break out on the 18th of December, which is really good stuff. That means the short-term downtrend has been broken. We're starting to shift up, but it looks like we're consolidating. The volume didn't come in, so that means we need to see some more of that buying momentum come in to make sure that, you know, we stay above this key point right here of support, this uptrend for us. And today the uptrend is currently sitting at $3.02, and as I said, we're sitting at $3.28 for Mana overall. Our key resistance points are realistically going to be the 20 and 50-day moving averages moving into the future, but it is always good to put in place some more key points that are our targets as we do tend to move into the future. I'd suggest right here at $3.82 is going to be one of those targets, and as you can see, things will start getting tighter as we move up to that point, but that will be the first target for us today, breaking back above the 20 and 50-day moving average to hit that $3.82 mark. Let's have a look at the MACD now, make sure that we see what's going on. As you can see, something positive is about to occur. The 12-day EMA is about to cross back above the 26-day EMA, indicating that the trend is about to reverse. The trend, as we mentioned, is a downtrend in the short term. So ideally, what we're going to see is a change and a shift in the direction of the price very shortly. And what you do notice as well is the volume has been declining for an extended period, even since, you know, we hit our peak. What we need to see is the buying volume coming in across of the MACD, and then a break of the 20 and 50-day moving averages moving into the future. Let's look at the RSI. As you can imagine, it is sitting quite, I suppose, on the lower side of things. It is close to the middle though. RSI of 45.96. When we had a big spike back in the day, we hit the overbought range, and even when we were at our previous all-time highs, we were in the overbought range. It's calmed down now, obviously, with what's gone on, but the RSI hasn't, you know, absolutely plummeted because we haven't seen big dumps of the coin. What we've seen is just a slow, sort of consistent sell-off. So that means the RSI is still not too bad. It's in the middle. There is still room for it to go down, to be fair, but it looks like, based on the MACD potentially crossing, and we're now bouncing off that support line, that we should be moving in an upwards direction. So if I was going to put in place a target for us, first target right now is that $3.82 mark. I hope you enjoyed today's analysis of Mana on the channel. I'd love to know if you want me to keep covering this coin down in the comments section below, and if you think it has some real future potential in the metaverse. If you haven't done so already, please remember to give a thumbs up to the video if you enjoyed today's analysis. And of course, if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. We cover stocks, crypto, investing, and wealth management. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.